Who paid 42.5 million euros? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. The German automotive supplier ZF Friedrichshafen paid 42.5 million in an automotive scandal case. It almost is like the Dieselgate again. Investigation indicated that ZF built gearboxes and provided software as early as 2002, which was sold to several or to one automotive manufacturing company. And at the end, this software was not ready to detect any manipulation attempts. So in a way, it is a Dieselgate case. 2.5 million was the amount of fines issued by the prosecutor, in addition to 40 million of presumed gain the company had. So the total value of this matter is 42.5 million. ZF accepted the fine as, so to say, proper, and they will pay it. The investigation against some individuals for fraud is still ongoing, so there may be an extra criminal case started against them. What's relevant about this matter is that, once more, the corporate responsibility is set at a very high level, which means if you're running a company, you not only need to make sure that you follow the law, but also that all the intents and all the proper manufacturing rules are implemented at the highest standard possible. If there is a violation, the company may actually face a high fine and the individuals may face a jail time. 42.5 million with a punitive component where those 40 million euros are taken in order to compensate or to take away the financial gain from the improper thing reminds me pretty much of the concept of punitive damages. The difference of punitive damages in the United States, however, is that in the United States, the court in civil matters may impose that, whereas in Germany, the right to punish lays with the prosecutor and the criminal justice system. So in consequence, while it is lawyerly interesting who does it and who can impose it, at the end, justice is served by taking the illegal gain away.